Bayshore Companion Dog Club, Friday, April 10th. This was our Master Exterior Trial 1. Our blue soccer dots were our start line. The entire area within the fence was in play. The fence itself and the signs on the fence were out of play. And we had an area here around this tree that had an open space with no fencing that was also out of play. This was a 3.5-minute search. There were 2 hides and 3 toy distractors out there. Right off the start line, there was an inaccessible hide underneath this mat. This odor was presenting to a lot of the dogs at the threshold, right at the start. Some dogs actually came over to this tree and then turned and went right back in. There was some odor collecting on the sand, and a lot of the dogs were tracing it. We had some of the dogs were able to source it. Unfortunately, other dogs tried to communicate to their handlers, but they wound up walking away. There's a lot of fun stuff in the middle, which was all blank. All these tires were blank. We had some random false alert interest in the picnic table. The second hide was all the way in the back in the corner of the search area. So handlers really needed to get back here and then give their dogs a chance to work this corner. A lot of dogs cut through here. Some dogs showed interest and then the handlers moved them along. The hide was tucked in right here in this piece of the pulley. It presented very nicely. We did have a couple of dogs that did source it. Unfortunately, we had no qualifiers. One dog did find both hides, but then called a false before calling finish. It was a fun search. I think the challenges were not recognizing the dog was in odor right at the start, getting caught up in all of the tires and some pooling odor. The wind was coming in this direction, so the pulley hide was collecting along here, and then the threshold hide was moving down this way and probably collecting in some of these black pipes. It was a fun search. The demo dogs had a great time. The handlers did a really nice job, and so did the dogs. So good try for everyone.